You've come to the right place if you want to know what tomorrow looks like. I'm Jessica and welcome to SkyMet Weather Report. Here's a look at the nation. It's been a long wait, but finally West Rajasthan and Kutch region will see temperatures fall. Rains over these areas will cool down the temperatures for quite a while. Central India, East India as well as West Coast will continue to enjoy low temperatures. South of Tamil Nadu will still have a hot and humid weather. And upper cyclonic circulation over Rajasthan and adjoining northwest Madhya Pradesh would lead to widespread rains in that area. Winds from the Arabian Sea will continue to feed moisture to this system. Strong winds from the southwest would be blowing over Gujarat region. Gangetic plains will also get moist winds from the east. The rains have showed mercy to West Rajasthan and Kutch region with moderate intensity. Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal and Orissa will get rain at many places. Ongoing rains over the west coast of the country will reduce considerably. Moving to the major cities now, light rain is possible over the capital. Day will be warm and humid with cloudy sky. Maximum will be 33 degrees, morning would be comfortable at 25. For Mumbai, a cloudy sky with a maximum of 31 degrees and few showers will be quite comfortable. Another pleasant morning with 26 degrees. A warm and humid day for Kolkata, maximum will reach 31 degrees while minimum will be around 26. Few spells of showers are expected over the city. A wonderful day for Bangalore, amid light showers, maximum will go only up to 30 degrees and morning will be very pleasant at 20 degrees as well. With a cloudy sky, Hyderabad will remain warm at 32 degrees. A breezy and pleasant morning with 23 degrees of minimum would be enough to pull out people for a morning walk. Chennai may get some respite from hot and humid weather as light rains are predicted. Maximum of 35 degrees will be a little uneasy. Sky will be cloudy. Minimum will reach only to 25 degrees. Well, that's it for today. Join us again tomorrow. Same time, same place. Thanks for watching.